Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this question from linear algebra. Question is, let S be a subset of vector space F3 containing vectors 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then we have to prove that if F is a field of real numbers, then set S is linearly independent, and if F is a field which has characteristic 2, then set S is linearly dependent. Before proving this given result, we need to recall some definitions. So, first definition is a subset S of a vector space V is called linearly dependent if there exist finite number of distinct vectors, say u1, u2 up to so on un in set S, and scalars, say a1, a2 up to so on an in field F, not all 0, such that a1 u1 plus a2 u2 plus and so on plus an un is equal to 0 vector. Or in other words, we can say that any subset S of a vector space V will be linearly dependent if 0 vector will have a non-trivial representation in terms of vectors of set S. Also note that a subset S of a vector space V which is not linearly dependent will be linearly independent. Next definition is definition of characteristic of a ring. If there exists a positive integer n such that n r is equal to 0 for each element r of a ring R, then the smallest such positive integer is called the characteristic of the ring R. Now we are ready to prove the given result. We know that F3 is a vector space over field F, and it is given that S is a subset of F3 containing vectors u1 equals to 1, 1, 0, u2 equals to 1, 0, 1, and u3 equals to 0, 1, 1. Firstly, we will assume that F is a field of real numbers. So we are in vector space R3 over field R. Now we need to prove that S is linearly independent. For this, consider this representation of 0 vector a1 u1 plus a2 u2 plus a3 u3 equals to 0. This can be written as a1 1, 1, 0 plus a2 1, 0, 1 plus a3 0, 1, 1 equals to 0, 0, 0, which is 0 vector of R3. Again, this can be written as a1 plus a2 comma a1 plus a3 comma a2 plus a3 equals to 0, 0, 0. After comparing coordinates on both sides, we get this system a1 plus a2 equals to 0, a1 plus a3 equals to 0, a2 plus a3 equals to 0. Now we need to solve this system. For this, equation 2 minus equation 3 gives a1 minus a2 equals to 0. We will call this equation as 4. Again, from equation 1 and equation 4 we get, after adding them, 2a1 equals to 0. Now we are in field of real numbers, and we know that 2 is non-zero, so we must have a1 equals to 0. So we get a1 equals to 0. Now using this a1 equals to 0 in equation 1 and 2, we get a2 equals to 0 and a3 equals to 0. So we get a2 equals to 0 and a3 equals to 0. So all these three scalars a1, a2 and a3 comes out to be 0. So this representation of 0 vector will be a trivial representation in terms of vectors of set S, and therefore set S is linearly independent. Now we will assume that F is a field of characteristic 2. Then from equation 5 we have, equation 5 is this, 2a1 equals to 0. So if F is a field of characteristic 2, 2a1 equals to 0 may not imply a1 equals to 0. We will see one example for this. Consider a field Z2 containing elements 0 bar and 1 bar, and Z2 is a field of characteristic 2. Then for 1 which is non-zero element of field Z2, we have 2 1 bar, that is 1 bar plus 1 bar will be 2 bar, and which is congruent to 0 bar modulo 2 in field Z2. So we get 2 1 bar is 0 bar in Z2, and therefore in case of field of characteristic 2, we may get 2a1 equals to 0 will imply a1 non-zero, and so in case of field of characteristic 2, this representation will be or this we will get this representation as a non-trivial representation. Therefore, in case of field of characteristic 2, set S containing vectors u1, u2 and u3 will be linearly dependent, as we get a non-trivial representation of 0 vector using these 3 vectors u1, u2 and u3, and this proves the given result.